So my glasses broke last night and had to run into Walmart into Princeton. So while I was there, I stopped at Home Depot and got the trim. I've got to stain it. I guess this becomes my new stain and workroom. I can't do anything outside. Here's the padding for the laminate floor. I've got it out here getting warmed up, but yeah, it's supposed to get real cold. I don't know what I'm going to do with this laminate. I hate to take it outside each time I got to make a cut, but I've used that stuff before and it is just a dusty mess. So maybe I'll just destroy my shop and do it in there. I can't do it outside when it's snowing and they're calling for rain and snow. Anyway, we're moving on. Time to stop now, go feed the dogs, and come back in about an hour. It's not hard to do, but when they send you 5 of the exact same pieces, it's hard to mix them up to make it look random. So, yeah, it is what it is. I'm getting there. All right, well, there we go. We got the bathroom floor in. I'll tell you what, using quality laminate versus crap laminate makes a huge difference. This was like 10 mil. I work with some stuff, I don't know, 4 or 5. It was crap. Anyway, I got a little piece for that right here. It was a lot easier just to do that there. So tomorrow I got to stain trim, and we'll trim this out and sink. I might just put the tub in here, waiting for the fixtures. Hook up the hook up the toilet here, and what else? Get these electrical outlets going. So yeah, this is moving right along. So anyway, till tomorrow.